Hey guys, it's day 18, and today we'll be talking about how to create a simple sales funnel for your business. So, when we're talking about sales funnel, we're actually talking about a model that describes or represents the steps in which a customer gets to follow for him to be able to become a lead and then get your product. And this particular model is very important in converting your customers into your leads, and they get to patronize you always. So this model actually depends on whatever business that you're actually venturing into, or even the company particularly. But there are basic processes which a potential customer undergoes before getting your product. So there are 4 basic steps, which includes awareness, interest, decision, and action. Awareness is when the potential customer actually views your business. He actually comes across your business or your landing page or your ad particularly. So the potential customer undergoes the awareness phase when he or she comes across your business and they find it a little bit attractive that they will want to patronize. Maybe they see something that is beneficial to them and they will love to patronize. That is during the awareness phase. And then they get to maybe click through your call to action and it gets them into your landing page and they begin to interact with your business. So now they then move into the interest phase. So under the interest phase, the potential customer is beginning to gain more understanding about whatever services or thing that you are actually selling or whatever services that you are actually offering, and is getting interested in buying your product or patronizing whatever service that you are actually venturing into. And during the interest phase, these potential customers get to research about your brand, get to understand if it's legit or they want to get more of your product. They get to check maybe your social media handles or other platforms which actually gives a brand awareness of your business. So when you have all these things on check, then you are good to go. And then from there, they get to make a decision. So under the decision phase, they get to make the decision if they actually want to buy your product or patronize your business. At this point, when you are very pushy with your ads or when you are very pushy with whatsoever thing that you're advertising, it becomes very difficult for your potential customer to become a customer, because at that time they might have turned into leads and they are about to get your product. So when you ensure that you do your lead nurturing properly, then they'll be able to make a decision for them to be able to patronize you. And this leads us to the final phase, which is the action phase. The action phase is where they get to patronize you. And this only happens when they actually trust your brand. They've been able to research on your business. They found out that maybe your business is legit and they will want to patronize you. At this point in time, you do a lot of lead nurturing for them to be able to come back, because the aim is not just to buy your product, but to become your continuous customer. And at the action phase, if you are able to beat that particular phase, then you are good to go. And your leads will become a continuous customer who will always patronize your business. Thank you very much. I'm sure you've been able to learn a lot today. Please don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for you to be able to see more of my videos. Bye for now and see you next time.